In this video, we'll walk you through replacing your genuine GE XWFE water filter, located in your refrigerator's fresh food interior in the upper right corner. Your refrigerator will let you know when it's time to change the filter. You'll see a filter status notification when it's time to change your filter. You can also change the filter sooner if you notice the water flow to your dispenser or ice maker is noticeably decreased. Open the filter compartment located on the upper right corner of the fresh food interior by squeezing the two front tabs and gently pulling down. Grasp the filter by the bottom tab and pull down until it locks in place. Gently turn it to the left about a quarter turn until you feel the filter release and you hear a faint click. Remove the filter completely and discard. First, gather your new filter for installation. You may notice a small design difference with your new filter. This is okay, and installs the same way as your previous version. Open the filter compartment located on the upper right corner of the fresh food interior by squeezing the two front tabs and gently pulling down. Now, line up the ports on the filter with the ports on the filter cartridge holder and gently insert the filter. Slowly turn the filter to the right until you feel it automatically adjust into place. You hear a faint click, and the arrow on the filter aligns with the arrow on the filter cartridge holder. Do not over-tighten. Slowly push the filter up into the clips. Close the filter compartment by gently pushing the lid upwards until the tabs lock into place. Run 2 gallons of water through the cold water dispenser for about 5 minutes to remove air from the system. Water may spurt out and air bubbles may be visible during this process. It is normal for water to appear discolored during the initial system flush. The water will return to normal after the first few minutes of dispensing. For ice maker only models, discard the first bin of ice to allow air to purge from the system. That's it. You've successfully replaced your GE XWFE water filter.